Watch how easy it is to make alcohol at home. Fermentation is basically controlled science magic. Yeast consumes sugar, produces ethanol and carbon dioxide, and transforms simple ingredients into beer, wine, cider, or mead. Humans have been doing this for over 9,000 years. Let's talk mead, the OG alcoholic drink. It's made from honey, water, and yeast. That's it. Mix honey with water, add yeast, and let time do its thing. The yeast converts sugar into alcohol while developing flavor, aroma, and complexity. Want it fruity? Add berries. Spiced? Add cinnamon or cloves. Stronger? Add more honey. Mead is basically the most customizable drink on earth. So if you can, mix, pour, and wait. Congrats, you can make alcohol.